Integer review tayo rito. Ito, ang daming nakakalimot sa integer operation. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Ngayon, sir, paano ba simplify yan? Ang unahin nyo is multiplication. Tama? Uy. I-multiply natin to. What do you think is the answer for 21 times negative 24? The given in number 3 is 21 times negative 4 plus 8 times negative 2. Ano magiging sagot natin dyan kapag meron tayong question na 21 times negative 24? Very good. We have negative 84. Tandaan na, napakasimple ng rules when it comes to multiplication of integers or multiplying integers. Kapag nag-multiply ka ng dalawang integers at magkaiba yung sign, automatic, the answer or the product is negative. Pero kapag parehas yung sign, like say for example, positive times positive, negative times negative, though negative pa yan, basta parehas, ang mangyayari, the product is positive. So this is negative 84 plus. What about 8 times negative 2? What is your answer, guys? Very good. We have negative 16. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa multiplication or multiplying integers. Addition naman ang target natin. Ito naman ang rule. Kapag naman same sign ang i-add mo na integers, kahit pa negative yan, ang kailangan mo is i-add yung number na nakikita mo, tapos kopyahin mo yung sign. So what is the answer when we have negative 84 plus negative 16? Add mo yung dalawang number. 84 plus 16 is 100. Pero ito na lang yung logic. Parehas ka nag-add, yung dalawang ina-add mong integer ay parehas negative. So anong mangyayari? Dapat negative din to. The correct answer is negative 100, which is number 1. Okay?